Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a solid review for this Nvboty LED face mask light therapy in 2025, if it's legit or a scam. So what it is, and let's talk about the specification of the specs of this um, product here. So first, 400 LEDs with 4 models like red, infrared, blue and orange, targets signs and aging, pigmentation and oiliness and acne. Rechargeable, around 200 mAh battery, so silicon built with remote timer, lightweight and hands-free. Excellent reviews on Amazon, that is 4.8 star from 48 ratings, praised for portability and effectiveness. What reviewers says actually, it repeatedly praised as a cost-effective spa at home device. Lightweight and fits perfectly, visible improvements in skin texture and brightness after consistent use. It is one of the review from one of users. Then there is another one that many recommended using it 3 or 4 times a week per 20 minutes with visible result after several sessions. Now here is the caveats and red flags. Requires consistent use for 4 plus weeks to see effects. Impatience may lead to disappointment. Then wavelength accuracy matters. Actually, so Reddit users emphasize many cheaper masks may not emit the therapeutic wavelength like 630 to 660 nanometer at sufficient power. Some masks have quality issues. For example, one user's cheap mask broke after a couple of months. Mask safety and eye hazard. Long-term exposure may damage eyes if not using proper protection. So here is the verdict: is Nvboty is legit. Yes, generally legit. Many independent reviews back its effectiveness for reducing signs or of aging and acne, but caution is needed. It's still a mid-range Chinese product, not medical grade. Long-term impact depends on proper wavelength and consistent use, eye protection, and device longevity. Now, here is the summary for you that if you want a budget-friendly, full-face LED mask and commit consistent therapy session while taking safety steps like wavelength check or eye protection, the Nvboty mask is a solid choice. For maximum result and safety, consider stepping up to a mid-range medically validated device. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.